I've showed stuff like painting trucks before, but you know, it's been said if you paint a truck camo that it stands out like a sore thumb in an urban area. That is true, okay? This is a Toyota Prius, okay? This thing really blends in as like a liberal, yuppie looking vehicle. Obviously you don't paint this thing camo because it blends in well in an urban area, okay? It's very unsuspecting. People in the comment section like act like I don't know this. Of course we know this, you know what I mean? So, when you're out here, you might need to make it disappear. And that's what we're gonna show you how to do today. You get some of this, camouflage netting, goes for about, I don't know what, $40 on Amazon or whatever. I like to leave it out in the sun and get it dirty so it looks more weathered and realistic. And you gotta watch the mirrors and the windshield wipers, make sure they don't get stuck on that. Yeah, and it's not gonna be perfect, but. So what side are we trying to hit it with most camo? Hold on.
The passenger side.
Mostly this side. Because this is the side that's under real observation.
Yeah.
So because this side's more under observation, we want to focus more on this side than that side. So we're gonna go more this side than that side. There we go. All right, so that's step one. At distance, it's still very hard to see this car compared to before, okay? Now we need to use natural vegetation to finish the job. Yeah, so those fibers will help it get stuck in the net and help it stay in place. Now, if we had more time, I would take zip ties and I'd probably make a little, or paracord or whatever, make this a little more secure. So, but we're just giving a general overview. We're gonna need to step back about 40 feet and just see if it's harder to see. All right, can you see the car? Pretty hard to see, isn't it?
Hard to see, yeah.
Very hard to see. We're still seeing the glare from the window, so that lets you know you should be putting a palm frond where that glare is. Yeah. But, you know, this is why you get away from it a little bit, but the glare is giving it away, but it is very hard to see compared to a regular vehicle. All right, so if we had more time, here's what I would recommend. I'm seeing a little bit of glare and reflection coming from the window. So if we had more time, I'd throw another frond on top of the window if we had more time. I'd probably put more natural vegetation on this. Another thing you could do is you can use jute twine and different stuff like that. And you can make this like look more like a ghillie suit. You can actually customize this and make this more badass. But the more of that stuff you put on your camo netting for vehicles, the more likely it is to get stuck during the process of putting it on. So I typically keep this vanilla and I add natural vegetation to it later. Guys, if you like this video, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell icon, support us by buying the merch. We sell this merchandise and stuff, so see you guys in the next one. Jordan Jared, signing off.